Hello friends, in this video we will see another problem based on direction and distance step. Let us consider Rajni started to travel in in south, okay, and he traveled 10 kilometers in that direction. After that, he took left and traveled 30 kilometers, and then he took right and traveled 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers. Now find the distance he traveled from starting point. Okay, so we have to find the shortest distance. We have to find the shortest distance he traveled from starting point to the end point. Okay, so now let's take the basic directions. Those are north, south, east, west, and then this is northeast, and this is northwest. This is southeast, and this is southwest. So Rajni started to travel in south direction. That is assume somewhere he started. So south is in the downward. So he traveled south, and he traveled 10 kilometers. So in the south direction he traveled 10 kilometers. After that he took the left turn. If he is traveling in this direction, the left turn is this side. And traveled 30 kilometers in this direction. So that means he traveled 30 kilometers here. Okay. So now he traveled 30 kilometers here. So after that, he took right and traveled 40 kilometers. From here, he took the right. Okay, this is the right direction. He is traveling in this direction. That means this is the left and this is the right. So he traveled in this direction 40 kilometers. So now we have to find the shortest distance he traveled from starting point to ending point. So that means we have to find the distance, this one. Okay. So to find this distance, I extend this one till here, and then I extend from here to here, right? So if here he is traveled 10 kilometers, so that means here also he traveled 10 kilometers. So if this is 30 kilometers, so this is also going to be 30 kilometers, right? So now the total distance here is 40 plus 10, 50 kilometers, and this distance he traveled is 30 kilometers. So if you observe here, it is making 90 degrees, right? So let us take, this is the point A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D, and this is E. Okay, this is E. So from the direction graph we developed, it is clear that angle of AED is equal to 90 degrees. Angle of AED is 90 degrees. So that means it is a right angle triangle. So whenever there is a right angle triangle, it is going to be satisfy the Pythagoras rule. So what is the Pythagoras rule? That is, the diagonal square is equal to the sum of the remaining side squares. Okay. So then here it is going to be equal to AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square. AE square plus ED square. So here we got AD square is equal to AE is equal to how much? AE is 30. So that is going to be 30 square plus ED is equal to how much? So it is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. So that is going to be 50 square. I mean 40 plus 10, 50 square. Okay. So now AD square is equal to 30 square is 900 and 50 square is for 2500. So then AD is going to be equal to under the root of so under the root of 900 plus 2500. So that is going to be equal to 3400, right? So AD is equal 3400. If you take 100 outside, it will become 10 under the root of 34. Okay, 10 under the root of. So the distance from starting point to his ending point is 10 into under the root of 34 kilometers. 10 into under the root of 34 kilometers. Okay, so I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.